This is chapter 8. Okay, we're going to be talking about how to prepare solutions. The first problem is we are supposed to fill in this chart given basic information what they give us. The thing we need to know is that the strength of a solution is the solute, which is the drug, and then over the solution. So I might be adding, 3 grams of something to 100 liters, and I end up with 100 liters of something. So it's just a ratio. Okay. Let's look at this first line to see, get an idea of what they're talking about. If we combine 1 part of solute, which is the drug, in 2 parts of the solution, we can either talk about the strength of the solution as a ratio, 1 to 2, as a fraction, which is 1 over 2, or as a percent. Now to find that percentage, all you have to do is to do a division. So if I do 1 divided by 2, I get 0.5, and then if you multiply that by 100, you will always get the percentage. So do the division, multiply by 100, and you've got it. Okay. So I'm supposed to fill out the rest of this. Well, this number is this number, this number is this number. So I'm just going to write the numbers in order and not write down all the words, okay? So this is 1 part solute in 4 part solution. Our fraction is 1 over 4. And if you do 1 divided by 4 and then multiply it by 100, you find that this is a 25% solution. Okay? Here we're given the fraction. And notice that this number is the top, this number is the bottom, so this ratio is 1 to 5. So this is 1 part solute and 5 parts solution. Okay? To find the percentage, do the division. 1 divided by 5 times 100 gives you 20%. Okay, so now how do you go the other way? This time I'm given the percentage. Well, percent, remember cent is the prefix for 100. So this is 3 per 100, or its fraction is going to be 3 out of 100. If we could reduce this fraction, we would, but this does not reduce. So our ratio is 3 to 100. So this is 3 parts solute to 100 parts solution. Okay, here it's 5%. If I do 5 over 100, that will reduce. If I divide each of these by 5, that's the same as 1 over 20. You always want to reduce your fraction if you can. So this ratio is 1 to 20. So it is 1 part solute to 20 parts solution. Okay, so we have 2/5. Let's go this direction. That's easy. We get to use the same numbers. So this is 2 to 5, 2 part solute to 5 parts solution. 2 divided by 5 is 0.4, multiply by 100, and this is a 40% solution. Last one, 1 part solute and 1,000 part solution. So this is 1 to 1,000, which gives me 1 over 1,000 for my fraction. And then if you do the division, 1 divided by 1,000, and then multiply that by 100, this is a 0.1% solution. Okay, so let's just look at example 2. Suppose 40 milliliters of an iodine solution contains 10 milligrams of solute, which is the pure iodine. Express the strength of this solution as a ratio, as a fraction, and as a percentage. Okay, we take the amount of solute and put it over the amount of solution. So the amount of solute is 10. Going to put that over the total amount of solution, which is 40. This reduces to 1/4. Okay, so this is the fraction. 1 to 4 would be the ratio. And we've already figured out what this is as a percentage in the previous problem. It is 25%. So that is a 25% solution.